happening? I want to give people, pardon me, I wanted to give some updates. Number one, I won a clear coat kit from Grant 7 Paints and Coatings, and I wanted to tell him thank you very much for those, because I'm just learning how to do all this, and I just appreciate it. It's awesome. So one of the things I'm gonna use that on is this grill shell. Today I've been taking all the paint off of it. That's why I'm all covered in paint. And you know, I've been looking for this. So anyways, I'm going to do the very little bit of body work to it. I'm going to fill this hole right here. I'm going to leave all these holes just in case someday I want to sell this or someone wants it. I'll leave these holes. There was a flange down here I've cut off. And it's just really pitted pretty bad. So anyways, I'm going to use that clear coat on this once I paint it. Use it on the center of my cowl induction hood and on that stupid glove box I'm messing with. This will be a wall hanger that I can put LEDs on the inside, like strip lights on the inside of this, so it shines up on the wall. And it'd be kind of cool. Make a fish tank out of it. I don't know. There's a hole in the top. I was going to fill that in, but might as well just keep it just in case. And if I don't like the light shining up through here on the wall, then you just put a piece of tape over it from the inside or something. Can't even see, you won't be able to see it hanging on the wall. These two holes on the top are threaded. So right here and right there. So that way I can hang it and screw it to whatever the hanging thing is. So that's kind of cool. I'm pretty excited about that. What else do we have new? What's new? I haven't been working on the C10. I've only been working on the Chevelle. Every day I come out, 7 o'clock in the morning, work on this, and all day long, and it is for sale. Who knows if it'll sell, but you know, if it does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm okay with it either way. And if it does sell, all that money, or half of it probably, would go into the C10. What else is new? You know, I was looking for this. I wanted to use this for some Bondo. I had some little pinholes, and I wanted to use this for that Bondo. Anyways, doing good. Everything's going good around here. The engine stand's going to go outside here. I need to move that. Give me some more room in here. That's about it. Just work, work, work. Getting her done inside the garage here. Grant 7 Paints and Coatings. I do appreciate it, man. It's I really appreciate it. I will get my experience doing clear coats. Anyways, I have a lot of footage on my GoPros. Need to edit it, need to download it onto the computer, need to do this, need to do that, blah, blah, blah. I'll get to it. Been a slacker. Anyways, I gotta go. Gotta get back to work. Later.